Hey there! Struggling with an LG TV that only shows a black screen? You're not alone. Today I'm here to guide you through the simple steps on how to fix my LG TV black screen and get you back to watching your favorite shows in no time. Whether you're dealing with a connection issue or something more technical, this guide will walk you through some practical troubleshooting tips. Step 1. Check connections and power. The first and most straightforward step is to check all the physical connections and power supply. Make sure your power cable is firmly plugged into both the wall outlet and the TV. Inspect the HDMI cables or any other connections to ensure they are secure. Sometimes simply plugging out and then plugging back in can resolve the issue. If your TV is connected to a power strip, try connecting it directly to a wall socket to rule out any strip-related problems. Additionally, check that your TV's power indicator light is on. If it's not, a faulty power cable or outlet might be to blame. Step 2. Adjust input source settings. Next, ensure that your TV is set to the correct input source. Use your LG remote to cycle through the input options by pressing the input or source button. Sometimes the TV may not automatically detect the active input, and manually selecting the correct source, like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, can resolve the problem. If you're using an external device such as a gaming console or Blu-ray player, make sure it is turned on and properly connected to the TV. Step 3. Perform a soft reset. If checking the connections doesn't help, the next step is to perform a soft reset. This can clear out minor glitches causing the black screen. To do a soft reset, unplug the TV from the power outlet and leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 15 to 30 seconds. Afterward, plug the TV back into the outlet and turn it on. This simple reset often resolves a host of minor display issues. Step 4. Check for software updates. Outdated software can lead to display issues. Check if your LG TV has the latest firmware installed. From the TV menu, navigate to Settings, All Settings, General, About this TV, check for updates. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your TV's firmware if an update is available. Keeping your software up to date ensures your TV runs smoothly and efficiently. Step 5. Factory reset. If none of the previous steps work, performing a factory reset could be the solution. Be aware that this will erase all settings and data, returning your TV to its original state. To perform a factory reset, go to Settings, All Settings, General, Reset to Initial Settings. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Once the TV restarts, you will need to set it up as if it were new. Dealing with a black screen on your LG TV can be frustrating, but by following these steps, you can often fix the issue without needing professional assistance. First, ensure all cables and power connections are secure. Then, make sure your TV's input source is correct. Try performing a soft reset and check for software updates. If these steps don't resolve the problem, consider a factory reset as a last resort. By following this guide on how to fix my LG TV black screen, you can get your screen back up and running in no time. If problems persist, it might be time to contact LG support or a professional technician. Happy viewing!